Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Okay, this tutorial is for people who already have their backup created. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's also a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step, how to create that backup. So if you want, you can look for that video. Before we open up WhatsApp, let's open up the settings. And we need to make sure that we are logged into proper Google account. Because if we want to restore our chats, we need to be logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. So open up the settings, find Google, tap on it, and make sure that you're logged into proper Google account. Once you have checked that, we can open up our WhatsApp. Okay, in here you can select your language, then click on agree and continue. We don't want to link as a companion device, then click on those three dots, click on register new account. Okay, now we need to enter our phone number. I'm just going to use that function to automatically copy it. And now click on allow, select your phone number, then click on next. Okay, it needs to connect, so we need to wait a little bit. Click on yes. Okay, and now we need to verify our phone number. We can use the missed call function, which is a default function, default method, or we can select verify another way and, for example, use the code from the SMS message. I'm just going to use the missed call because in my personal opinion it works in the best way. So click on continue. Now we need to wait for a call. Okay, automatically verifying. Okay. Everything went fine. Okay, now we have this contacts and media. We need to click on continue. Now we need to allow for everything. And now we have the function that we wanted to achieve, restore or transfer chats. We want to restore from backup, so let's select that option. If you want to transfer from old device, you can always select the second option. But in this video, we want to restore from the backup, so let's select that, then click on continue. Remember that you need to do it right now, because if you skip that step, you won't be able to do it later. And also, as you take a look, we are restoring from the account into which I am currently logged into in the settings, in the place where I was showing you before. Okay, 12 messages restored. Click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo. Then click on next. Okay, and now I'll show you that all messages, including videos, photos, and normal messages, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.